Here we want to discuss what is the increasing decreasing interval of the function f of x, but f of x is not given to us, not even the graph. What was given to us here in the graph is the derivative of the function we want to talk about. So if you think about the idea, given f of x, if we want to know where it's increasing, where it's decreasing, essentially I'm looking for where the derivative is greater than or the derivative is less than 0. Because the graph given to me is already the derivative function, when you talk about this function being greater than or equal to 0, you are talking about the value of it. The graph is demonstrate the value of the derivative. That is to say, whenever it's below this line, it is less than 0. And of course, whenever it's above it, it is greater than 0. That is to say, according to the graph, it tells me that f prime of x is less than 0 when I'm here to here, because I'm like, you can see the curve is below the x-axis. From here to here, the curve is below the x-axis. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 here. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8 here. So that is to say between 0 and 1, it's less than 0. Between 4 and 8, it's less than 0. And along the same line of thinking, the derivative, this graph, this function, it is above x-axis between 1 through 4. That is to say the graph, the f prime of x is greater than 0. So it is between 1 and 4. And we said it already, this is the equivalent of saying that f of x is increasing. So because they are the same thing, so they share the same answer, and f of x is decreasing. My bad, I was rushing a little bit. So it is decreasing and it's increasing here because the derivative is greater than 0 between 1 and 4. Okay, so hopefully this gives you a little bit idea. So be very careful. What is asking is about the original function. What was given to you in the graph is the derivative. So you only need to find in this graph where it's above 0 because it's already the derivative. Okay,